Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter, and the chapter name is SQL Database Queries. So, in this chapter, we are going to see different commands related to the database queries. Let's dive deeper into this topic. In this topic, we will see some essential SQL commands that are necessary for database operations. So, what kind of operations related to the database queries we will be seeing here? So, very first one is create. In create, we will see how to create new database and how to create new tables using the create command. The second command we are going to study the drop. In drop, we are going to see how to delete existing database or tables. Then in third command, we are going to see how to display the list of existing database or the tables within the database. And very last, we will be using use command, which is used for selecting a specific or a particular database. Let's say you want to delete, update, or insert some new records into a particular database. Then you will first select that database using use command. We don't need to worry about these all these commands. This is just overview, but we'll be studying each command in detail in upcoming tutorials. I hope you have the basic or overall idea about these commands. I think that's all for these slides. All right, take care. Bye bye.